Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The world of compact cameras is buzzing with anticipation for DJI's next groundbreaking release. The DJI Pocket 4. Renowned for redefining pocket-sized videography with its predecessors, DJI is poised to revolutionize the market once again in 2025. This highly anticipated device promises to elevate both casual content creation and professional videography, offering a potent blend of innovation, portability, and unparalleled functionality. Let's delve deeper into what makes the DJI Pocket 4 a potential game-changer and how it builds upon the legacy of its illustrious predecessor, the DJI Osmo Pocket. A refined pocket-sized powerhouse. The DJI Pocket 4 retains the hallmark compactness of the series, making it one of the most portable high-performance cameras available. However, it introduces subtle yet significant updates to its design, prioritizing user comfort and advanced functionality. Early leaks suggest a slightly larger form factor compared to the Pocket 3, measuring approximately 140x43x35mm. This modest increase in size allows for the integration of upgraded hardware, including an improved gimbal and a more substantial display. One of the most exciting rumored features is a 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen boasting a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a peak brightness of 800 nits. This vibrant display ensures excellent visibility in bright outdoor conditions, making framing shots and adjusting settings significantly easier, a crucial aspect for vloggers and filmmakers on the go. Ergonomic improvements extend beyond the display. The camera's grip and controls have been refined for enhanced comfort during prolonged filming sessions. Whether you're capturing a quick vlog or embarking on a cinematic masterpiece, the Pocket 4's design aims to seamlessly integrate into your creative workflow. Image quality. At the core of the DJI Pocket 4 lies an advanced 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade that promises improved resolution and performance compared to the already capable Pocket 3. This sensor is rumored to capture 12-megapixel stills, delivering sharper, more detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's lens, a 20mm equivalent with a wide aperture of f/2.0, is expected to provide superior dynamic range and vibrant color reproduction. This combination ensures that every shot is both vivid and lifelike, making the Pocket 4 an ideal choice for creators seeking exceptional image quality in a compact package. Video capabilities. Unleashing cinematic potential. For videographers, the Pocket 4 introduces significant upgrades to its video capabilities. Rumors point toward support for 4K video recording at up to 240 frames per second, a substantial leap from the Pocket 3's 120 FPS. This higher frame rate opens up a world of creative possibilities, particularly for filmmakers interested in capturing ultra-smooth slow-motion shots. Furthermore, the inclusion of 10-bit color profiles, including D-Log-M and HDR modes, offers greater flexibility in post-production. These advanced color modes allow creators to capture footage with more depth and detail, making the Pocket 4 a versatile tool for both casual and professional use. Stabilization and tracking. Effortless cinematic motion. Stabilization has always been a hallmark of DJI's Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 raises the bar yet again. The device features an upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even during rapid movements. Whether you're running, biking, or shooting handheld, the Pocket 4's stabilization technology helps you achieve professional-grade results without the need for additional equipment. The introduction of Active Track 7.0 is another major highlight. This enhanced tracking system is rumored to include advanced features such as face detection, eye tracking, and improved subject prediction. These updates make the Pocket 4 particularly adept at following fast-moving subjects with precision, making it an ideal choice for action-packed scenarios, dynamic vlogs, and sports content. Accessories. One area where the DJI Pocket 4 shines is its expanded support for accessories. DJI has consistently listened to user feedback, and the Pocket 4 appears to address many community requests. The accessory ecosystem for the Pocket 4 is expected to include external battery packs, waterproof cases, ND filters, and even advanced mounting solutions. These additions make the Pocket 4 a versatile tool for creators operating in diverse environments, from underwater shoots to sunny outdoor scenes. Audio has also been a focus of improvement. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature an enhanced 3-microphone array with improved wind noise reduction and stereo sound recording. This upgrade ensures clear and immersive audio quality straight out of the camera. For vloggers and interviewers, Support for external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems offers even more flexibility in capturing professional-grade sound. Battery life and charging. Powering your creativity. Battery life and charging speed are crucial for creators who spend long hours filming, and the Pocket 4 doesn't disappoint. While the Pocket 3 offered up to 166 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge, the Pocket 4 is rumored to extend this to nearly 200 minutes. This improvement allows for extended shooting sessions without frequent interruptions. Charging is also expected to be faster and more efficient. With DJI's proprietary PD charger, the Pocket 4 could potentially reduce full charging time to just 25 minutes. This feature makes it an ideal companion for creators on the go, ensuring you spend more time filming and less time waiting. Release and pricing. Anticipation builds. DJI has maintained a consistent 3-year product cycle for its Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is expected to follow this timeline. The camera is anticipated to hit the market in late 2025, giving DJI ample time to refine its features and deliver a polished product. As for pricing, the Pocket 4 will likely see a modest increase compared to its predecessor. The Pocket 3 launched at $539 for the base model and $680 for the Creator Combo. Early estimates suggest the Pocket 4 could be priced at $699 for the Standard Edition and $799 for the Creator Combo, reflecting its advanced capabilities and premium positioning. A new era of pocket-sized power. The DJI Pocket 4 builds upon the strong foundation of the Pocket 3, which was already a highly capable device. The Pocket 3 featured a 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 FPS recording, and a compact design. However, the Pocket 4 pushes these capabilities further with an improved 1-inch CMOS sensor that offers enhanced resolution and better low-light performance. It also supports faster frame rates, enabling 4K recording at 240 FPS, which is ideal for capturing smooth slow-motion footage. Conclusion. The DJI Pocket 4 is set to be a remarkable addition to the world of compact cameras. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and accessories, it promises to cater to a wide range of users, from casual vloggers to professional filmmakers. Its combination of a larger sensor, improved stabilization, enhanced video capabilities, and versatile accessories makes it a standout choice in the competitive market of 2025.